Power supply lost. Switching to backup battery.
You've prepared a copy of burglary in progress, 715 8th Street, 715 8th Street. Broke into the residence.
37, copy. 3-1 on roll.
Home security is something I take seriously. Recently, Eufy reached out to me sharing they've released the latest, most innovative home security system on the market, the E10 ExpertSecure system. They gave me the opportunity to try it out, and if I liked it, they were willing to offer this video sponsorship. After installing the system and trying it out, I will say this is probably one of the best do-it-yourself security systems on the market for a reasonable price. It's clear to me that this system was built with care. There's a ton of features that other systems don't have, and they designed it to be extremely user-friendly. As long as you can plug something in and stick something to a wall, you can set up the system entirely by yourself. I am now one of their over 15 million users that feels more secure. So today, let me show you more about this system. 6 different emergencies, one system designed to handle them all. The ExpertSecure system from Eufy combines a variety of cameras, sensors, and alarms into one package, with professional monitoring and a design that works even when the power or internet goes down. The E10 bundle comes with all the basics that you need, and the components arrive nearly ready to use. Installing the components is easy. Most have the option of just sticking it where you want it, and everything comes pre-configured. Eufy's user-friendly designs allow a homeowner with zero experience working on alarm systems to install and set up full home security within the hour. Plus, you can take it with if you move. Okay, check out how easy this is to set up. They say everything comes pre-programmed. This is what that means. I'm gonna go ahead and program this door sensor here, and all that literally means is I'm gonna pull out this tab, which will turn on the power to the door sensor. And
Device was added successfully.
the device is automatically already added to the base unit. So it all comes pre-programmed and pretty much ready to use. You just have to pull out the tab to activate the battery. The E10 Essential Package includes a home-based professional hub, a keypad, key fob, entry and motion sensors, a video doorbell with real-time chat capabilities, a yard sign and window sticker, an indoor 360-degree pan and tilt camera with an alarm and talk-through capabilities, and lastly, a wireless outdoor solar-powered pan and tilt camera which you can talk through, light up with a spotlight, sound an alarm, and set up to auto-track and zoom in on motion and have AI assist in identifying what it sees.
Go away, I am calling the police.
Additional devices like smoke alarms, flood and freeze sensors, panic buttons, sirens, a smart display, and other cameras such as the PTX 360-degree pan and tilt outdoor camera can be added to customize your security. The PTX camera can spin around with an 8x zoom, and it has a second stationary 4K wide-angle camera built into it. Eufy offers a variety of solutions that all can be integrated to your ideal home security setup. One of the system's biggest advantages is verified video monitoring. When a sensor is triggered, cameras can pan toward the triggered sensor and record immediately, and that video can be shared with monitoring experts. As I mentioned earlier, the system also has AI observation features. Instead of guessing, dispatchers know exactly what's happening, which allows for a faster, more accurate response. The monitoring service is powered by Rapid Response Monitoring, a UL/ETL listed and 5-diamond certified security center available 24/7. They cover intrusion, fire, medical, flood, duress, environmental emergencies, and just about any emergency you can think of. A few months of advanced monitoring are included with a free trial. After that, you can start and stop this monitoring service at any time. One thing I like about the system is the ability to monitor and control the entire system by yourself from your phone, smart display, and other devices. Easily manage your security with instant alerts, detailed safety reports, and real-time remote viewing, all from the Eufy app or smart display. You can check the status of cameras, sensors, arm and disarm the system, and customize every component of the system while you're in bed, on vacation, at work, or wherever you may be. You can even set it up to automatically arm and disarm certain sensors based on the time of day and day of the week. The ability to remain secure even when the power is off is a big deal when it comes to home security. When the power goes out, some security systems stop protecting you. Not with Eufy. 4G backup and battery means the home is always safe, even in the worst of weather or if an intruder thinks they're smart. Every single device in the system will continue working even if the power cuts out.
Power supply lost. Switching to backup battery.
Everything's been set up. Let's do some system testing. So right now I have the smart display, I have the key fob that comes in the essentials package, and then I have my phone. On the key fob you can arm, disarm the system, and then there's also a SOS button. And if you push that SOS button, you can preset it to trigger either a police, fire, or medical emergency. And right now I have it set to trigger a police emergency. And what's going to happen is I'm going to press this button. You're going to see notifications on the smart display, my phone, and then right now I do have the system being monitored. So with every critical event that happens, the monitoring company will notify you by a phone call. Before they dispatch any sort of emergency services, they will always try and call you to verify that it either is or isn't an emergency before sending people your way. Unless you program it not to, because you do have that feature with some components of the system. But let's go ahead and press the SOS button here and see how fast the system is in notifying me and getting a call to my phone. Here we go.
Warning. Audible panic alarm. Warning. Audible panic alarm.
Go ahead and silence the alarms. And we should get a phone call here any second. There it is. Let's go ahead and answer it.
Hello, this is Matthew with Eufy Security.
Everything is okay. It was just a test.
I'm glad things are all right, sir. May I have the verbal password, please? Thank you, sir. I'll mark as all well in regards for the activation. Have a good rest of your evening.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about data security and where it's stored and its storage capacity. The Homebase Pro Hub can locally store 32 gigs of data. That's the base of what it comes with. However, it is expandable up to 16 terabytes. Now, it's my opinion that any data that can be transmitted that is digital is not safe to a certain extent when it comes to privacy. However, all the data is stored locally, so your privacy is even more protected than other forms of video surveillance. This also means that there's no cloud fees. However, if you want to store your data on the cloud, meaning not locally, you can do that with this system. Now moving back to talking about the system as a whole, despite all the components being professional grade devices, weather resistant and built for long-term use, all ExpertSecure devices enjoy warranty services while the system is subscribed to human services. Additionally, there's a 30-day free trial of ExpertSecure, allowing users to fully experience the system before committing. I feel more secure knowing one of these systems is installed in my house. If you're looking for a similar sense of peace, check out the link in the description to learn more about how to get one of these systems. They're currently offering at least $199 off worth of exclusive perks when you purchase before October 31st, 2025. Thank you for watching, rate, comment, and subscribe, and please have a safe and secure day.